Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am download driver Canon PIXMA home. You're looking the serial, and this here you'll type the driver download. Okay, please wait and search the official website for you. Okay, this here the official website. I am click here, and I am uh like download official website. This official website for first download and driver update and not advisors to the driver. This official website. This why long driver. I am to click the driver or click here or click here. This why the internet not speed. That's why okay. And click here driver. Click here and okay. This here driver and this here three and driver spot operating system. This here for operating system for Windows, for Mac, for Linux. Step one, I'm testing show you for Windows. This here click here. This here driver resource file and click here version operating system. Click here. This here version operating system. You're looking for the update operating system. Click here. This here now show you update. And I am recommendation for you. You download package the title package driver. This driver support much system for printer. And this here for step 2 for Mac OS. This here the operating system version. Click here. This operating system version for the Mac 12 and Mac 11. This here the new driver, and you're looking here. I am testing for Mac 12. Okay, you're looking here the update release, date update release, and this here the firmware and software. Your driver Wi-Fi connect and image my image garden driver and quick menu driver. This I have recommendation for you. You download here print firmware update. This here the update for the driver. If you for the driver for this driver for the Mac OS. Okay, testing for the Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here for Mac 11. This sport same for Mac 12 and Mac 11. This here for step 3 for Windows. I am need download for Windows driver for you. You looking the version operating system. Click here. This here the March operating system version for the Windows 11 and Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, Windows Vista, Windows XP. Okay, this video you need to download driver Windows 11. You select a system for Windows 11 and You scroll down. This here the March driver for Windows 11. But I am recommendation for you. You download package software, full driver software package. This here the complete the driver. This here the for driver for printer, driver for driver Windows 11 for the printer, driver Windows 11 for the scanner, driver Windows 11 for the connect Wi-Fi, and driver Windows 11 for the scan tool. This here package driver. This here if you need install driver print only, click here. This here the print only, and this here the print only, and this function print security, and this here the print firmware update. Click here, and this here the print assistant update and print assets artist lead and Wi-Fi connect only, not a cable. This here the Wi-Fi only connect the print and easy photo print editor driver as software. This video I'm going to driver Windows 11 package for you. You looking the release update, new release update, and click here. This one loading again. Maybe your internet first the loading, but I am not internet first loading or quick loading. Okay, this here the driver, and this here the outline and system requirement. Your not support for Windows Server, not support for Windows XP, and this Windows 7 or the Windows. Okay, this is the new Windows 11 support, and this is the setup instruction for the you read here and double click to download file. It will be decompressed, and your setup screen will be displayed. Follow your instruction to install the software and perform the nearest setting. This here the instruction install for you, and this here the field site. And if you need to download, click here. This here the click here. Okay, this here the I have read agree to the term of the disclaimer. Okay, this here show button download, show button download. If you not click here, not show button download. Okay, click here the button download show, click download, and please wait the drive for download. If you need install your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please wait the finish driver download. You click on after driver detect automatic for the cable. If you need install for the Wi-Fi, you connect the printer for Wi-Fi. You connect the printer. You look in the IP printer, or you set the printer wireless. You set and you click run. You connect the laptop your printer. You click the run install driver. Driver detect automatic for the printer. Okay. If you need question, comment below.